Hello, everybody. How's it going tonight? This is for James Stewart. So came back on his build, and everything's going good. Just wanted to show the progress. So we're almost there. Actually, we took out this other wire. Is wrapped around here. Look how teeny this wire was. Okay, so we got a 14 gauge in there. All right, instead of this little 22 gauge. So it's looking real good. This side's not done, so but I just started working on this side, finishing up all the stuff about process. I gotta get some more capacitors, fill this area up with some capacitors when I'm done. I gotta get some probably tomorrow or something at Harley's Electronics up here. Get these all capacitors up in here. Looking real good though. Already did this combiner. That combiner's done, as you can see. Okay. Um, Looking nice though. Doing a real good job for him. So James Stewart, just be patient, man. We're getting it done, and we're gonna replace all these wires right here. As you can see, all the solder stuff right in here, it's kind of been melted, so we'll take that out. Put brand new ones in there. Um, and then we already put the metal clads in here. I put some metal clads in. These are 120s in here. Okay, 120s here, 120s on there. Instead of doing the other way with 120s, the other way with similar Dick Mike. So I'm doing everything all the right way, as you can see. And I noticed this right in here too, how the wiring is in there. We'll probably have to look at that and stuff, but it takes time to do all this because some of the stuff was in here was kind of lifted up. This board was really lifted up and everything. But all in all, I'm really glad everything's going good with it. Looking really cherry. So thanks, James Stewart, for being real patient with me, man. Like I said, I'm doing it, man. I'm getting her done for you, okay? So, and then like I said, I gotta clean gotta finish this area. I gotta put 180s in here all the way down. 180, 180, 180, 180, all the way down until you get to 130s. I got the 130s. This is for your low and high. There's gonna be another hello Jimmy. How you doing, buddy? How's it going tonight? Yeah, so this is gonna be this is for your low and high switch right here, as you can see, low and high. Oh, I've been working, man. I actually had to go to the hospital the other day. So, had a massive bloody nose. So I had to go to the emergency room. But otherwise, you know, it'll be all done and straight. No, I just want to say something tonight. I'm a really busy person. I work 6 days a week plus I do run this shop. Okay, so when I do work, it's all quality work and it's nothing but nothing but the best. So uh, I do really good work, man. So I wanted to show you how the progress of this amplifier coming along. Now this is going to be the 46 turbo. So as you can see, the 46 turbo. All right, I built this from I built in this, so almost done, complete. And that's another one. That's almost done. That's for the 46 turbo radio. So it's looking real good, guys. And anyways, hey James Stewart, Have a good night. You guys have a good night. Just want to make a little quick video of it. And have any questions for me, let me know. So, alright. Thank you for watching the videos. I'll keep posting them. God bless. Have a good night.